All right, hey, so today I made around $712 trading the NASDAQ today. So let's just get straight into it. Going into the day, I was very, very bearish. And don't mind the change here. I had passed the eval account and I didn't realize it logs me out after I pass it. So we're just gonna go over um, what I took and how I took it on TradingView here, and then I'll show the execution. Well, not the execution. I'll show the P&L because I didn't take a picture of the execution because I didn't realize that they log you out once you pass it. So coming into the day, um, we were very bearish. We had tapped into this 15-minute um, fair value gap here, and then on the 4-hour, we had tapped into this 4-hour overnight, and we have been trending down since. We did invalidate this hourly, but honestly, just looking over at order flow and how the market has been moving, obviously all things are pointing towards bearish. Let's see here. That price taps into I want to say a CSID on the hourly here. Price came down, price came back up, tapped in, we exited below. But yeah, let's look at the 30-minute here. We're gonna bring price back to like right here. So yeah, 15-minute fair value gap right here, tapped into on the 5-minute. Same kind of deal. We had this 5-minute fair value gap right here that I was looking for an inverse off of market open, and while also exiting this 15-minute fair value gap. So what I saw here was price comes down, right? But I wasn't willing to enter off this. I was like, you know what? If we enter in off this, and this is a fucking stupid 42-point stop loss, fuck no. So what we did is we waited and see what the 5-minute did. We have 832. We're coming up, and we came up into this fair value gap. The 5-minute is closing in 1 minute, and bam, off of that close, I sell. I didn't put my stop loss all the way above here, because I'll be honest, I'm not willing to risk that much. But I was very confident in this trade that I took it down, and I risked about 750 here, about 750 there. I know the profit was about 750, and if we scroll over here. My draw, I'm pretty sure, was this 30-minute candle wick right here. This 30-minute low. My draw was going to be that 30-minute candle wick draw. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, wait, but that doesn't make any sense. You said you made $712 today. That's right, I did. Because on the eval account, I was already up 2.3 grand, and I only needed 700 to pass. So why would I target this and not just target how much money I'd need to pass, So, right here, we had our stop loss right there. And I had a feeling price was going to go down and hit that TP down there, but at the end of the day, I didn't care because I was only going for the pass of the eval. So, price hit that, we hit our take profit, and that's how we ended things. Honestly, I expected to feel a little bit different about passing it. I thought I'd be more excited, but honestly, I just feel the same. And I'm assuming that's probably how I'm gonna feel when I get my first payout. It's like, oh, cool. Like I'm not gonna be super excited or super giddy about it. It's just kind of business as usual. But yeah, that's how I took that trade. That's how I won $712. Could have been a lot more of a winner, probably about double my profit, but yeah, at the end of the day, I made some money. I passed my account. Now it's time to start being able to take some real payouts. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. I'm packing up for a nice little trip to Chicago here, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right. Well, you guys have a great rest of your day. All right.